Alien Power Cleaner Honest Review. Is it legit or scam? Let's find out. So, this cleaner promises to remove tough stains, grease, and grime from multiple surfaces with just minimal effort. So, the pros of this product is that it works well on kitchen counters, stovetops, and tiles. Biodegradable formula that's safe for most surfaces. Requires very little scrubbing compared to regular cleaners. The cons are it has strong scent that may not appeal to everyone. Struggles with deep set stains or burned on residue. Slightly more expensive than generic cleaning solutions. So, for final verdict, Alien Power Cleaner is a legit and works well for day-to-day cleaning, but it's not a miracle solution for extremely tough messes. It's worth trying if you want an effective all-purpose cleaner with minimal scrubbing. And that's it. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.